This is a reminder to join our group and come and have your chance to win a box from Kitty Butterfly. Hi everybody, it is Lori Zachary with LA Thrift Junkie, and I have another haul today from Kitty Butterfly on Poshmark, and she sells mystery boxes of all different kinds, and I am opening them up every Sunday night for the next 4 weeks. And on week 4 we have one that's going to be given away to someone on our group, PFF, Poshmark Reseller group. Be sure to go and join that on Facebook if you want to get one for free yourself. But these are ones that I bought for me to sell. Now, I let her know what I liked, you guys. I'm going to be honest with you. She's not my friend. I don't know her. But I've networked with her. So she knows my style because we share each other's closets. We compete in different things together. We're part of the same Poshmark group. We're all very involved with each other. We become, friends on that level, right? So I just think she's wonderful. But I have decided to give her mystery boxes a chance. And I have had one that I've already opened. I didn't do it on camera. That I sold 2 items within 24 hours, you guys. Now, I know that's not always going to happen, but I was really pleased with what I got, too. And I felt like she really listened to me, like she knew my vibe, and I thought that was really cool. So the next one that we're opening here is a mystery box of vintage. And the last one, you guys notice I just got 6 items. That is because I ordered them all at once, so she distributed due to weight. We didn't really think about that, like me opening them up on camera. I kind of let her know that a little bit late, so I apologize. That's my fault. But that's why there may not be the exact amount of items in the box, you guys. Okay, once again, packaged beautifully. I'm going to set it down here on the ground beside me and reach down and pick up and see what we have. Okay, the first item is a vintage sweater. You guys, I told her, oh my gosh, it's almost like she reads my mind. So I know you guys are probably going to think to yourselves to a certain degree, why is she so excited about an ugly Christmas sweater that's actually adorable? I'm going to fix my light here, you guys. Yeah, that's a little bit better. It's so hot in here. You guys are going to see me melt. But I turned off the air conditioner so you guys didn't have to hear it. Look at this holiday sweater. It's got beading. It has the little stockings all over it. You guys, I sell ugly Christmas sweaters of just the generic Walmart ones, you guys, okay? Like holiday time or whatever that is. And I still mark them at $25. Often sell them for about $20, sometimes full price. And they wasn't even that much or exact same price new at Walmart. And it's because when somebody sees one they like, they didn't have to go out and shop for it for hours, right? It's right there in front of their face. It's worth buying. But these kind of sweaters can do even better because they're vintage and they're very decorative. And not only for an ugly Christmas sweater, but this is like a cute grandma core thing, right? So there's a lot of ladies that would love to have this type of sweater. And it is, I'm going to show you the brand tag. Again, it'll be backwards. I apologize. I'll put it on the screen. And it is a size medium. And it is a cotton blend. Cotton Ramie blend. Okay. The next item is super cute. What do we have here? This is like 19. Oh gosh, this tag. You guys, you Victoria's Secret people will know. This is either late 80s, early 90s. Okay. Super fun for fall. It's not flannel. Well, maybe it is. It doesn't really have that real heavy flannel feel, but it's got like that soft feel to it. Long sleeve. Look at these colors. What I always tell you guys about these fun colors when it comes to like a flannel design, they sell quickly no matter what brand. I have no doubt this is going to sell, being Victoria's Secret, being that it's vintage. We're going into fall. Bright colors are popular right now. And this is a size extra small. Next item, this feels nice. So again, I've told her that I sell a lot of blazers, a lot of dark academia. Okay, this is Laura Ashley, size extra large. I would say this is probably 90s as well. Maybe 80s, but most likely 90s. And it's this velvet, really soft actually. It's not coming across well because it's been crumpled up in a box, you guys. I've had this box in my car for about a week or so. Okay, and it's just a beautiful blazer, velvet blazer with embroidery all over it. So that design you see is actually embroidery. It's gorgeous, deep gray color. Okay, and it's just beautiful. Oh, look at this too, you guys. The pockets, really, really pretty. And I will style that with some different ideas. And I don't do flat lays and do that kind of styling, but what I do is in my first photo, it's going to have a plain white background. And then in my other photos, I get a little bit more creative with, but I don't spend a lot of time on it, right? Time is money. But what I do is when I put this in my closet, I'll put it with some cool things around it. So if somebody comes in and is scrolling through the closet, they get some outfit ideas. Just a really pretty blazer jacket. And I sell a lot of blazers, a lot of sweaters in the fall. That's one of my biggest focuses. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is good. So this is a Allure, and it's a wool blend coat. Look at it, you guys. Oh my gosh, I gotta stand up. We gotta stand up and testify for this one. This is so pretty. Look at that. I'm gonna get closer. It's drowning it out a little bit. It is not faded whatsoever. It is a nice crisp black. Then look at the back. Look at the back. That is so pretty. I wish the light wasn't shining it out so bad. It is absolutely stunning. Heavy wool jacket. Great for fall and winter. Those perfect fall and winter colors. It's got like a light shoulder pad in it. The design goes all the way down the sleeve. Has pockets. Oh my gosh, did I tell you what size it was? Size small, yeah. Got so excited, I don't know what I've said. Sorry about the washing out. I'm telling you, it's crazy. I do these videos in the same spot. Sometimes it washes me out, sometimes it don't. And I have no sunlight in here, so I don't know what the deal is, you guys. I apologize. Look at the last thing, you guys. Okay. Absolutely gorgeous. Stunning gorgeous. So this is also definitely vintage. It's shenanigans, knitted by hand, size small, acrylic. Yeah, just acrylic, but look at it, look at it, look at it. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Okay, quit curling over. Come on, girl, you gotta come with us so that everybody can see how beautiful this is. But look, wait for it. I don't know if you guys are seeing it yet. Okay, isn't that gorgeous? And this beautiful robin's egg blue. I can't get over this boat neck, almost like a large cow neck. That is absolutely stunning, and that's going to sell right away for very good money, no doubt about it. Okay, you guys, so how many items was in this box? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, you guys, so keep in mind, the reason that there's not 7 to 10 items in these boxes is because I ordered them myself all together, so she separated according to weight. So by the end, we will have as many items as what we're supposed to, but how exciting, you guys. This third box, actually, second one you guys have seen, the third box, I am ecstatic about. Once again, let's support each other. Let's spread the word about good mystery box sellers. Help each other out. You going and buying from Kim from KittyButterfly is going to change her life for the better, and getting stuff that you guys can sell for a profit is going to change your life for the better. So that's what my channel is all about, us gathering together to help each other do better, grow our businesses, and just basically have some good friendships. Okay, once again, you guys, please go and support her. Thank you for supporting my channel. Bye-bye.